Just 10 minutes a day, and drumming will start to feel easier and easier. During practice, make sure both hands stay balanced. Even speed, even dynamics. Listen carefully to the music, and find the tempo. Keep your fingers relaxed. Don't grip the drumsticks too tightly. Continue to keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms relaxed, and your wrists relaxed. Maintain a natural breathing pattern. Throughout the whole process, use more wrist and less arm. To make sure your practice is effective, you need to stay highly focused. Use your ears to really listen. Are the speed and dynamics of each note consistent? After every stroke, let the stick rebound upward naturally. Don't let it stay down. This will help you build speed more easily. The tempo here isn't fast, but for beginners, it's still a challenge. Keep it up. Take a short break. Next, get ready for double strokes. The key to building speed in double strokes is still the same. After every stroke, let the stick come back up. Don't let it stay down. Of course, while chasing speed, don't forget, every note should be even in speed and dynamics. distracted. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms relaxed, and your wrists relaxed. Take a break. Next, get ready for paradiddle practice. For paradiddles, you need to stay highly focused. Again, make sure every note is even in speed and even in dynamics. If you haven't built muscle memory yet, you can say it out loud while playing. Right, left, right, left, left. Final 2 minutes, keep going. Remember to keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms relaxed, and your wrists relaxed. Congratulations, you've completed it.